Hi, so let's solve another problem. Find the perimeter of the triangle shown in the coordinate plane below. What kind of triangle is formed? So when you say perimeter, it's just the sum of all the three sides of the triangle. So you have here BD plus BC plus CD is equal to your perimeter. So to solve for this one, you must know your distance formula first. So what's your distance formula? It's D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So let's try to get the distance first of BD. So we have here BD. So let's say this is your point 1, this is your point 2. It doesn't really matter because you'll have here squared. So even if you'll interchange your 2 points, you'll get the same answer. So you'll have here BD first. So that's BD. So what's your x2? It's 0 and your x1 is negative 6. So let's just substitute that. 0 minus negative 6 squared plus, what's your y2? You have there 5 and your y1 is negative 1. So just substitute that again. You'll have there 5 minus negative 1. Next, you have to simplify that one. So that's 0 minus minus 6 is positive 6. So that will become 6 squared plus, so that's 5 minus minus 1 will be equal to 5 plus 1, or that's also 6. 6 squared. So 6 squared is 36. 6 times 6. So this will be 36 plus 36. So 36 plus 36 is 72. 72. So BD is the square root of 72, or that's 6 square root of 2. So that's just 6 square root of 2, or in decimal, that's 8.49 units. Next, you'll have there BC. So again, it doesn't matter. You can assign this as your point 1, or you can assign C as your point 1. But I want to have B as my point 1 and C as my point 2. So I'll have here the distance formula again. This time for points BC. So we'll have there BC. Next, just substitute the coordinates. So what's your x2? You have here 6 and your x1 is 0. So that's just 6 minus 0. And for your y, you have here negative 3 minus 5. So just substitute it here. So this one will become negative 3 minus 5. Simplifying this further, 6 minus 0 is just 6. Negative 3 minus 5 is like negative 3 it's like negative 3 minus 5. So that's negative 8, simply negative 8 squared. Again, you need to simplify. So 6 squared again is 36. And 8 squared or negative 8 squared is just the same. They'll give you 64. So BC will be equal to 36 plus 64 is 100. So of course, the square root of 100 is just 10. So BC is equal to 10. Next, you'll have to solve for DC or CD. Again, it doesn't really matter, but I like this to be my point 1 and this to be my point 2. So again, use your distance formula. So that's C, D. So x2, my x2 is 6 and my x1 is negative 6. So this will become 6 minus negative 6 squared. And my y2 is negative 3, my y1 is negative 1. So you'll have here negative 3 minus negative 1. Simplifying this further again, you'll have here 6 minus minus 6. So this will become positive. So that's 6 plus 6. That's 12. And this one, you'll have negative 3. So you have negative, negative again. That will be positive. So it's like negative 3 plus 1. So negative 2. So that's negative 2. Simplifying this further, you'll have here 12 squared is 144. And 2 squared, of course, is 4. So CD is 144 plus 4, that's 148. And the square root of 148 is 2 and square root of 37. Or in decimal point, that's 12.17 units. So you already have your distance for your line segments BD, BC, and CD. Now you can solve for your perimeter. So you can interchange this one. It doesn't really matter. So the perimeter is equal to BD first. So what's your BD? It's 6 and square root of 2 plus BC. So what's your BC? It's 10. So you can just write here 10 plus CD. That's 2n square root of 37. So your answer would be plus 10 plus 2 square root of 37. It's 30.65 units. So it says here, it's asking, what kind of triangle is formed? So you have different kinds of triangle. You have equilateral triangles. When you say equilateral, the sides are equal. You have isosceles triangles. Two sides should be equal. And for this one, this is a scalene triangle. This is a scalene triangle because no sides are equal. So that's it. Bye.